After the scene heading comes the action line. Action line is where you describe what is happening on the screen. It is also where you introduce your characters. When you first introduce a character, his or her name should be in capital letters. If there is any special prop that is important to the scene, write it in capital letters too. Example: Int, kitchen, night. Jane storms in, a big knife in her hand. Putting the big knife in capital letter tells whoever that is reading your script that this big knife is important to this scene. Your action line should describe in clear and visual words what your characters are doing while they say their lines. It is written in present tense and active voice. Keep it short, clear, and simple by avoiding unnecessary details. Instead of writing, "He angrily walks out," write, "He storms out." Don't write internal thoughts that can't be visualized on screen. It's called action line for a reason. Be realistic with your actions. A character without superpowers that jumps down from a skyscraper, sans parachute, and lands on his 2 feet without breaking anything is ridiculous. Don't use the action line to tell the director how to direct the film. Describing the action or what the character is doing with a prop is enough. The director will understand and plan for the scene accordingly. Action lines can come between dialogues when you want to show what characters are doing while saying their lines, or when you want to describe what is going on in a scene or the scene itself. Example: Elsa sleeps in her bed. Her little sister Anna, 5, pops up beside her. Young Anna: Elsa doesn't stare. Anna sits on Elsa and bounces. Young Anna: continue. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Young Elsa, grumbling: Anna, go back to sleep. Anna rolls onto her back and spreads all her weight on Elsa. This example is from a screenplay. As you can see from the example above, when the characters were first introduced, their names were in capital letters. Their ages were written in parentheticals beside their names. Putting the names of characters in capital letters the first time they appear will help the people who will work with your scripts later to keep track of the characters in your script. You do this only the first time the characters are introduced. In subsequent scenes, characters' names are written in lower cases with only the first letter capitalized.